Hi church, Dean Schumacher here. Well, it is a busy week out here at the site. There is finished grading going on. There is electrical work going on, bringing our SDG&E service into the building. We're starting to lay out and dig light pole footings. We'll be on curb and gutter soon, so it's really exciting. A lot of work going on. Just want to share some of it with you today.
If you've driven by the park in the last couple weeks, you've probably noticed the trench coming down the driveway. That's our main electrical trench. It's installed all the way to the transformer pad, which sits right here. Now we're working to dig from the transformer pad into the meter room at the building. At the beginning of last week, a blade was mobilized to the project for finished grading. A blade makes short work of establishing final subgrade under the asphalt and curbs. Our concrete subcontractor started this week. Their first task was drilling out for the light pole bases to support the future light poles in the parking lot. I gotta say, it's a lot of fun to see them drill these holes.
Well, church, thank you for the encouragement and the support for the project. I do want to let you know of an opportunity also. Over the next month, we're going to be installing some smaller site electrical conduits and some irrigation sleeves. And if that's something you want to help with, I would encourage you to get in touch with me. You can email me at dean@vccc.org, and we can arrange how you can help with that. And then after we put down the asphalt, there will be an additional opportunity as we do the planting around the parking lots of our landscaping. So thank you once again.